Welcome to Amazon Tech Insights. Today, we're diving into a cinematic powerhouse, the Sony 85-inch 4K Ultra HD TV X77L Series model KD85X77L. This massive LED smart Google TV promises stunning visuals, intuitive smart features, and a complete entertainment experience. Let's break down what makes it stand out. Design and build. Sony knows how to blend sleek design with functionality. The KD85X77L features slim bezels that maximize the screen-to-body ratio, giving it a clean, modern look that complements any living room. Despite its size, the TV is relatively lightweight and comes with sturdy stands. For those looking to mount it on the wall, its design seamlessly integrates into your space, creating a home theater feel. Picture quality. At 85 inches, the 4K Ultra HD resolution truly shines. Powered by Sony's 4K processor X1, the TV upscales content beautifully, ensuring even older videos look crisp and detailed. The LED display offers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and impressive contrast, perfect for everything from sports to blockbuster movies. While it lacks advanced OLED-level blacks or mini-LED technology, the Triluminos Pro technology compensates by delivering a wider color gamut, making images look natural and lifelike. HDR10 and HLG support ensure enhanced brightness and contrast for HDR-compatible content. Smart features with Google TV. Running on the Google TV platform, this model offers a seamless, intuitive interface that's easy to navigate. With access to apps like Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, and Prime Video, you'll never run out of content. Built-in Google Assistant allows for voice control, so you can search for shows, adjust settings, or control smart home devices with ease. Additionally, Chromecast built-in makes streaming content from your phone or tablet a breeze. Support for Apple AirPlay 2 ensures iOS users aren't left out, enabling quick screen mirroring and media casting. Audio performance. The audio is powered by Sony's Clear Phase technology, which ensures balanced and precise sound output. While the built-in speakers deliver decent performance for casual viewing, you'll want to pair this TV with a soundbar or home theater system for a truly immersive experience, especially for such a large screen. Gaming and connectivity. The TV supports 60 Hz refresh rate, which is fine for most gaming and video playback but might leave hardcore gamers wanting a bit more. Motion Flow XR helps smooth out fast-moving scenes in games and sports, enhancing clarity. Connectivity is robust, with 4 HDMI ports, USB ports, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi, making it easy to hook up gaming consoles, Blu-ray players, or external speakers. Who is it for? This TV is perfect for movie enthusiasts looking for a cinematic home setup, families who want a versatile entertainment hub, casual gamers who appreciate large-scale gaming. Pros and cons. Pros: massive 85-inch screen with 4K resolution, vibrant colors and great upscaling with Triluminos Pro, Google TV and voice assistant integration. Ample connectivity options. Cons: lacks advanced features like OLED or mini-LED. Average built-in audio for the price. 60 Hz refresh rate may not appeal to competitive gamers. Final verdict. The Sony X77L Series 85-inch TV offers a massive, immersive viewing experience packed with smart features and excellent picture quality. While it's not the ultimate choice for competitive gamers or those seeking top-tier display tech, it delivers outstanding value for its size and features. Is this your next upgrade? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews.